With Nano Banana Pro, you can literally become a movie director. You're not just generating images, you're directing scenes, choosing angles, shaping lighting, and creating moments that feel like they came straight from a Hollywood production. You can fly jets through burning sunsets. You can jump into outrageous action scenes. You can design architectural masterpieces, premium product ads, or educational infographics, all with a single idea. Nano Banana Pro is one of the most fun, most ridiculous, and most powerful creation tools I've ever used. And every image you're seeing on screen, all generated using Nano Banana Pro. Before we jump into the use cases, here's the simple step-by-step guide that applies to everything.
Open Design, click New Project, go to Text to Image, select Nano Banana Pro, type your idea, and if the use case needs a reference image, upload it. Then hit Generate and refine or remix your result. Now let's get into the crazy stuff. First, movie scenes. Imagine a rooftop chase at sunset. Your character sprinting across a city rooftop, drones right behind them, and the sky glowing bright orange. It looks like a real movie trailer. Then picture a slow-motion explosion with dust and debris frozen in the air while your hero walks away casually. Nano Banana Pro makes cinematic moments look effortless. Next, food series. Upload any food photo like a burger or pizza, and Nano Banana Pro does two things. First, it turns your dish into a recipe-style photo with clean labels, ingredient arrows, and a top-down layout that looks like it belongs in a professional cookbook. Second, it transforms the same dish into a nutrition facts poster with your food on one side and calories, protein, carbs, and fats on the other. It looks like a restaurant menu page. Then we have home and interiors. If you upload any blueprint, even a rough sketch or a phone photo, Nano Banana Pro converts it into a realistic 3D-style room preview. Walls, lighting, flooring, layout. Your flat drawing becomes a lifelike interior. It's perfect for planning renovations or visualizing room designs. Up next is product photos, but this one features you. Upload a reference image of yourself eating a burger at an aesthetic food court. Nano Banana Pro will create two amazing results. The first is a cinematic hero shot, where your face, pose, and burger stay the same, but the lighting becomes crisp, the colors pop, and the whole scene looks like a Netflix food documentary. The second is a menu-style promotional ad featuring you eating the burger, with clean typography and restaurant-style design. It looks like you're starring in a real food commercial. Infographics are next. Nano Banana Pro can turn any concept into a clean, step-by-step graphic with icons, arrows, and simple labels. You can also make lifestyle infographics like daily habit checklists with smooth pastel layouts. These are perfect for social media content or educational posts. For character creation, Nano Banana Pro can keep a character consistent across every scene you generate. If you upload a reference image, the face will match perfectly. You can place the same character in different locations, outfits, or poses, and they always look identical. You can even turn these scenes into a comic strip with multiple panels and expressive storytelling. Next is quick edits. Upload your photo, and Nano Banana Pro can make extremely clean edits without changing anything else. You can swap jacket colors or replace the entire background, while your face, lighting, and pose stay identical. It looks unbelievably real. Then come avatars. Upload your face, and Nano Banana Pro instantly turns you into different styles. A Pixar-style version with big, expressive eyes and soft lighting, and an anime version with sharp shading and glowing effects. Both look like professional character art. For branding, Nano Banana Pro makes it incredibly easy to build an entire aesthetic. You can generate logos, color palettes, typography, and mock-ups, then create matching Instagram posts and YouTube thumbnails that look like a full design agency created them. Finally, ads. You can take any product and place it on a giant outdoor billboard with realistic lighting and reflections, or create a glossy magazine cover with luxury fonts and clean photography. These images look exactly like real-life commercial shoots. And now let's talk pricing. Dezeen makes all of this super affordable. There's a free plan with daily credits, a beginner plan that removes watermarks, a creator plan with tons of fast credits and unlimited regular credits, and a master plan with basically unlimited everything. For what Nano Banana Pro can do, Dezeen is literally a cheat code for creators.
And if you want the full prompt list I used for every example, hurry up, because the first 50 people who enter the community will get access completely free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.